Hi, my name is Michael Mendonca. I'm the president of the Ellen Meadows Prosthetic Hand Foundation, Give Hope, Give a Hand, and the Ellen 4 Project. In this section, we're going to show the various movements of the Ellen 4 hand and the various grips and applications that can be done using the different types of movements and grips. The first thing is that the 2 digits on the bottom are truly the only movable parts of the hand. You can close them individually and incrementally by putting pressure on them and pushing them in the up position. And then when you release them, you put pressure on the top of the hand, flexing it, and the digits release. You can do them one at a time or 2 at a time. You can also, if you are missing a second hand, you can close it by simply putting pressure on with any solid surface, including a table, Okay, I'm going to show you the 4 different types of grips that you can do with the Ellen 4 hand. The first one is if you have something large in diameter, you can simply place it in there, close both digits very tightly onto it, rotate the hand. You can pull the cap off in this case, and you could write with it like this. Again, to release, put the hand back in the starting position. Another grip is with something that is much smaller in diameter, like a watercolor brush. You lay it in between and diagonally across the top. You close one of the digits in on it and it holds it firmly. So if you wanted to do watercolors either in a horizontal position or in a vertical position like this, the most common and popular grip is for someone who is missing their dominant hand in order to give them the ability to write. In this case, we're using the left hand. You push the left digit all the way in. If I were right-handed, I would push the right digit all the way in. I lay the pen with not too much of the tip of it sticking out beyond the hand, and I close the other digit across the top of it and squeeze tightly. At this point, I can rotate the hand 90 degrees with perfect form in being able to write. I rotate the hand back to the starting position. I release it. The next grip is for something like a coffee cup or a teacup, and it's important that the handle is relatively rectangular and not a very small loop. In this case, I put the digits in, both of them. I squeeze them tight. I can pick up the mug. I can pour. I can take a drink out of it. The next grip is for something very soft like a sponge or a rag. In this case, I simply put the sponge in between the digits and squeeze them. I can rotate it. I can use it for washing dishes, washing cups, washing cars, or anything else like that. The hand is completely fine to submerge it in water. Or in this case, I'll hold on to a rag. I can hold on to it pretty tightly, dip it in water. I can use it to bathe or to wash my child or other applications using the rag. Finally, I can use it also for something like a toothbrush. You have to put the toothbrush in at such an angle that it will work best for you. Bring it up and you can use it to brush your teeth. Similarly, I could have a hairbrush in here and use it to comb my hair, to brush my hair. The other grip is to simply close both digits all the way and to use this area right here as the area to support something. In this case, I can use it to support the back of a broom or a hoe or some sort of a tool where I don't actually need to grab it, but I need to just use it for stabilizing. You can also use this to hold on to a bicycle handlebar or something like that, where again you don't need to grip it, but you just need to stabilize it.